Coughing and sneezing in pets can be common just like humans. However, it is very important to know the underlying cause to rule out any possibility of serious illness. Your pets tend to cough or sneeze most commonly due to allergens, viral or flu, or when they have ingested any foreign material. Dr. Goel's wheez, a 100% safe, side effect free and effective homeopathic solution, is suitable for treating coughing and sneezing due to medical reasons. Wheez gives quick relief in 5 days if it is a common flu, but for more severe problems like pneumonia, it is required for a minimum of 15 days or till the problem persists. Just give 20 drops 3 times a day and see your pet lead a virus-free life.